So, yeah, Nikola stock has soared. But is this the reason why? Because many people would like to think that news articles, press releases, breaking news is what causes price action to move. Got that article right there from Barron's. Nikola stock soars. Investor concerns addressed and trucks are ready to roll out. Wow. Nikola stock continued to climb Friday after management addressed investor concerns and revealed the company should begin delivering its hydrogen-fueled cell electric trucks in late September, early October. That's the reason why price in Nikola went up. Should have known. Man, I should have came in and bought Nikola before that news article came out. Because I knew eventually that they would be ready to deliver their trucks. I knew it was going to happen sometime. Now, I didn't know it was going to happen, that the news was going to break yesterday. See, how can you prepare yourself for press releases and breaking news? You should have already seen off the chart that Nikola should have prepared itself to go up, not off the article. Now, why would I say that? Because you can see down here that the bottom was created in Nikola on September the 11th. Wow. Let's take this line and let's extend it over. Whoa, check that out. Let's do some investigations. Let's investigate this. Because the last time Nikola was at 80 cents, 79.5 cents, what happened to the price? It broke out. But Barron's is trying to tell us that the stock is soaring because Nikola addressed investor concerns and that their trucks are going to be delivered soon in the next couple of weeks. But back then, in June, that wasn't the news at that time. So what caused the market in Nikola to break out here? What was the news at that time? Exactly. You don't know. You don't remember. You have to go back in and Google and see what was going on at that time in Nikola that would cause this market to break out the way that it did. That market ran from 79.5 cents in a couple of days, 131%, to $1.84 from June the 13th to the 15th. You more than doubled your money. Those people who bought Nikola back here on June the 13th, 2023, bought again here. They're still buying the stock down here, whoever it is. That's why the market currently is going up. It's not because of what Barron's is trying to report. Let's think logically here. This was a better indicator to tell us that you may want to get prepared to see the price in Nikola go up. What happened back here in June versus what this article is trying to substantiate, or what this article is trying to say. That's the reason why I only pay attention to the price, because it always gives you a heads up before these articles do. All right, so let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction in Nikola. That is what, 34%. We did a price prediction on the August 22nd. Looking for the price to go down. Here it is right there. You guys can see it. So, all right, cool. Now let's get to what we suspect the market in Nikola is going to do next, because I know many of you wonder, okay, is the market still bullish? You might want to pump the brakes. Okay. That's why it's important to already be prepared and in position. It's kind of like you're running a football play. Like, you got to be in position to catch the ball once the quarterback throws it. You cannot act like you don't see the ball, because once it's thrown, if you're not prepared, you're going to flop. Or maybe get an interception because you wasn't prepared to capitalize off of the play. Same thing in the market. You got to capitalize off of these moves, because once price hits your level, there's no guarantee that it's going to go back. Now, why would I say pump the brakes though? Why would I say that? Because when you look at the market here in Nikola, right? Look at this. Okay. This is a very crucial price right there at $1.33. Very, very important. Because you can see back here in March, price in Nikola came and held support momentarily. But then eventually it crashed below $1.30. It tried to come back up above $1.30 right here on the April 3rd. And you can see that the sellers definitely dominated the market at that time. Here, market was able to break above $1.30, came back down a couple of days, but then successfully held support on July the 3rd, 4th, and July the 10th, and then the breakout occurred on July the 12th. Okay, simple. Now, here we are today though. What happened to the market in Nikola today? Yes, we did end the day of 3.5%, but this high volume, the market closing on the low of the bar, tells me that there's still some people here in the market in Nikola selling. Let's break it down on the minute chart. That looks even better. Look at that. Can you not see the selling there? You should see how weak the market is in Nikola up there around $1.30, $1.35. Look at all of these weakness bars right here. Charts don't lie. People were selling, okay, yesterday in the market in Nikola. These up fake bars completely tells me that, to the point where like I want to wait until the market in Nikola comes down to see how low it's going to go. Got another indicator weakness, 330-minute price bar right there. It's coming back down. This is a sell wall right here. This is impeding the buyers from actually continuing to break out. Now, good thing is that we could possibly see the buyers hold this level. If that happens, then this $1.30, those sellers that sat at $1.30, $1.35, they're going to get wiped out, and the price action in Nikola is going to continue to go up. So be on the lookout for that on Monday of next week. All right. Let's look at this on the 2-day chart. This 2-day price bar in Nikola is bullish. Right here, this one, it is bullish. 3-day chart, and the high volume closing off the highs kind of got me on pause. I have to say, it has me on pause to kind of wait to see how weak the market is going to be around that $1.30 area. So for me, rather than me continue to talk and try to drum up the views on this video, I'm just going to give your time back, because I'm not going to drop a price prediction in Nikola yet. This is kind of what people do when they say it needs to be on your watch list, because I want to see how low the market's going to run. Because that's high volume. What I've seen on the minute chart could also mean that the price is going to go back down to like $1. And then maybe we'll see the buyers enter in again. But I definitely got my eyes open on here. I want to see the market hold this. Okay. So let me put that there. And this is what we're going to be on the lookout for starting out next week. Okay. Because if the buyers hold the market in Nikola like they did back in August, if they continue to do it now, then yeah, we can suspect that price has a higher probability of going up. So let's just see what happens first. No rush. Give me your thoughts though. Hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.